is the difference between single drawn, double drawn, super double, and super luxury? There are regular terms used in the hair industry, but what is the difference between them? This is also a common inquiry that our sales staff get when detailing the grade of hair we have. So today, Kfhair will classify each type to clarify what is the difference between them. We primarily use single drawn, double drawn, super double, and super luxury to distinguish the hair grade. In contrast to Chinese factories that use 8A, 9A, 10A, and 11A. Right here are 4 bundles of the same length of varying grades. So let's guess where single bundles, double, super double, and super luxury bundles are and compare them again after watching this video. The hair grades are classified based on the fullness of the tail. Single has the thinnest tail, whereas double is fuller than single, and super double has the thickest, plumpest tail. The first step is to distinguish between the 4. So now we can use our hands like that, and you'll notice the hair getting smaller at the end. It's really single drawn. With double drawn, the ending of this bundle is fuller. The distinction is obvious. You can see that super double hair bundle is fully finished at the end. The higher the proportion of full-length hairs in a given bundle, the thicker the bundle will be. And the last one is super luxury. Look at my hand. With the same length, super luxury hair looks so gorgeous. The higher the number of strands per bundle that measure the full length, the greater the grade of the hair. Look carefully through your bundle to evaluate the proportion of full-length hairs to shorter hairs. It's obvious that the tail is fuller when compared to single drawn, double drawn, and super double, isn't it? Can you now distinguish between the 4? So, is the quality of the fur the same? Absolutely right. The only difference between the 4 bundles is the tail length, not the quality. They are all of the same quality. So, single drawn, double drawn, super drawn, and super luxury, which are better? For customers seeking entirely natural hair, single drawn hair is the best choice. With various hair lengths, single drawn will bring you natural appeal. Because the natural hair that emerges from our scalps is always of various lengths. By shortening the ends of your hair, you may make it appear fuller. Particularly, the cost of single drawn is considerably cheaper than that of double and super drawn hair. Anyone who prefers thick hair might consider having double or super double hair. The hairs are all the same length since employees took great care to remove all of the shortest hairs. Also, the thickness of the hair from the beginning to the end of the hair bundle. It always provides customers with the highest quality and volume despite having a greater price than single drawn hair. We hope that you have a better understanding of the differences between hair grades after watching this video. Please leave a comment below or contact us via WhatsApp if you still have queries about the topic or any of our products. Our sales representative is available to help you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Nancy from Kfhair Vietnam here. Thank you and see you in the next vid.